You? Oh, no, it is. Faith, jump.
Jump. Whoa, big jump. Are you still eating snacks?
No, she's not doing it. Are you jumping? Cheese. What are you doing, sugar? Quit it, bird.
Where's your cookie? Say cookie. Say cookie.
Say hold me.
Say hold you. Hold you.
Can you say hold you? Hug. Is that cookie good? What game are you playing? Cheese.
Ow.
Cheese. Faith, come here. Come closer to mommy. Come here.
Mommy.
Can you say hold you?
Hug you.
Hug?
Hold you.
Say hold you.
Hug you.
You have a cold, huh, honey? Someone dropped your little... Her passy. Okay, mommy, hold that, Daddy. Mommy has to get her passy. Look here, Faith. Hi. Are you jumping?
Cookie? Another one?
Yeah, Daddy, go get us cookies, please.
I don't
Jump.
think she needs any more cookies.
Can you jump? Cookies. Say please. You're so polite.
What you doing? What? What, sweetie? A cookie? Who wants a cookie?
What were you saying?
Faith does? And Mommy?
Faith wants a cookie?
Who wants a cookie?
More? Can you say please?
Please.
Oh, who can resist that? You want 100 cookies?
Good thing Daddy made little ones for Faith.
Did he make big ones for Mommy?
Yeah, of course. I'll give it to Mommy. You have a cold.
Thanks,
go.
Daddy.
Cookie.
Do you want to hold the video camera?
Nah, go ahead.
I can't.
You better stop it then.
You're jumping. She has her mouth full of cookies. Are you doing the splits?
Whoa.
Are you doing the splits?
Look at how flexible you are.
Show Mommy.
Splits? Whoa.
Whoa. Is your baby sleeping? Shh, baby's sleeping. Baby sleeping? Oh my goodness, you're doing all your tricks tonight. Are you going night-night with your babies?
Night-night?
Oh, you're covering up.